Is it really?
Yeah, I don't like it.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm posing.
For what?
Camera.
It's recording.
Don't record.
Hey, Emily.
I want the one that says space.
Why don't...
I want the one that says space.
And the hope and the...
Or just space.
Well, you have to get them both, and then you have to get the compactor thingy.
We're not getting any of it.
Yes, I am. This is a video of my mom. She misses Cody. Who you texting? You texting Brooke or Cody? I can still see you. Hey, Emily. What you doing?
Join the computer.
You gonna do something funny, or are you just gonna sit there? Emily. Oh my God! She punched me. Don't do that, Kane. Don't. No.
What?
That's weird. You're weird. Even Ratchet hides from the camera, Mom. He like ran away.
You're gonna run down your battery. That's why you have no battery.
I have full battery. Thank you very much.
You need to bring those batteries back downstairs so they can be shared by all. They're not just for you. You hog.
Did you just call me a hog? Call me fat. That's a fat joke.
Really missing Cody right now.
Mom is very... Yeah, Mom's missing Cody.
How can you tell?
Because you're in a bad mood.
Seriously.
Because I have a sweatshirt on.
Because you have a sweatshirt on. Ratchet! Want me to throw the bone? You want me to throw the bone? Oh, go get the bone. You want to get the bone? Get the bone! Oh, get the bone! You dummy.
He wants the bone. Do it, Emily. Emily. Do it.
Ratchet, you want the bone? You want the bone, Ratchet?
No, Ratchet. No, bone.
That's rude. That's rude. Don't fart for the camera, you sicko.
Can I hear the sound?
Yes.
Can I hear my fart?
Aaliyah, would you like me to film you now?
I don't care.
No, I want to, Mommy.
You kind of have to hold that shit over there.
Hi. What should I do? No, Kate,
Wait.
don't. No.
Come
What should I
look.
do? No. What are you doing? What should I do?
I don't care.
I don't know.
Your show.
Jump off a building.
Oh, your phone's texting.